Just not violation, it was blatant violation because this particular permission letter that has been given by the Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board, which is the controlling authority of all reservoirs and dams in and around the city of Bangalore. This is the permission letter where it clearly states that the first sanction date was on the 24/10, that is 24 October, and then the makers of the film they requested for the date to be postponed to the 7th, which is why the shoot was happening yesterday. If you see, amongst the conditions that have been listed, it's in Kannada. Let me just translate that. The first condition itself says prohibited area not to be used for any kind of shooting activity, and the permission that has been granted is not for any kind of a aerial stunt or aerial shots to be taken. Now, which is the prohibited area? The water. Having spoken to a few locals there, I've also learnt that the depth of the water varies. That probably has made the search operation that much more of a difficult task. And also the accumulation of silt and muck is to the extent of 30 feet and 40 feet in a few places, which means that a person weighing more than 100 kilos jumping from close to 100 feet is straight going down and getting stuck in the muck and absolutely has no chance of survival. And I've also spoken to a few people who are close to one of the stuntmen, Uday. Now, Uday has been working on his body for his six-pack, and you know, even on the sets of the movie to look buff, he was carrying out his workout routine. He was on a zero-carb diet, which means that he was short on strength and stamina. And the sequence itself required him to run a 500-meter distance, then get onto the chopper. The chopper takes off and then jump. So where is the real strength or stamina for him to swim across 300 meters or 200 meters into the dam up to the banks? And the engine of the boat failing is a colossal, catastrophical, let's say, mistake on the part of the production, because this is something that had to be rehearsed. And two people who've never jumped off such a height had to be given some kind of a training, maybe in a swimming pool where they could jump off a certain height and get used to the whole process of jumping. And then it would be another task to handle themselves in a dam situation. So a number of violations, blatant violation that has been clearly established through this particular permission letter that we have with us. And it clearly says that there was never to be an aerial shot taken, there was never to be an aerial stunt performed, and there was never a permission sanctioned for them to get into the waters. So what will be the penalization remains to be seen.